everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Day 2, guys. As you can see, we have William in the E92, we have Noe in the Raptor. This is probably going to be the longest day ever and the longest drive, because Texas is a big state, and compared to all the other states, this is the biggest one, and this is the one that's going to take us the longest. And I think we're just going to do it in one shot, literally. So we're going to be driving on the road nonstop for about, it says we'll be there in like 22 hours, 23 hours, but with stops and everything, it's probably be about 25 hours. So this is going to be the longest one. I'm super excited. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Wish us luck, because this is going to be insane. So we got to get on the road though, because it's getting kind of late, and like I said, we have a long drive, so we got to go. Right now we're going to go fill up gas. We're just cruising through the streets of El Paso. Look at the houses. It's just crazy. I feel like over here you could like floor it, you could do a bunch of stuff. Nobody's gonna really care. A lot of open space out here. This is probably the nicest car out here in Texas right now. That Porsche, other than the BMWs and the Raptor, is the only nicest car that I've seen. That's crazy. I haven't seen no BMWs. I haven't seen no exotic cars except for this man in the Porsche. He probably rich. There's a Mercedes. Oh, there's a BMW 1 Series. We got a Benz. All right, I'm kind of blending in. Thought for a second, you know, we didn't really fit in, but it's like all desert style over here. Oh my gosh, bro. 23 hours. Because if we want to avoid the flood warning, or we can go through and save not too much time, but 23 hours, guys. Holy crap. That's crazy. So look how far we are still. We're still hella far. That's for sure. Yeah, he's rich for sure. Look at his pad compared to everybody else's house. Okay, this person for sure is rich. Brand new Range Rover, the big body too. Oh yeah, they're for sure rich out here in Texas. Look at that, guys. Yeah. This is Juarez? Damn, Mexico, guys. All right, guys, little update. We haven't moved shit. Look, there's El Paso. We're still there. It's just crazy how big the world really is. You don't really think about it until, I don't know, like we've been driving and it's just like, bro, there's a lot of people in this world. Like I've always known that, but it's just crazy. Like you drive through, you stop at all these places, different cities and towns and states, and there's just a lot of people in this world, guys. It's crazy. So we're currently still driving, and we still got to take all this, and then I think we're gonna keep going on the 10 down here and probably be by San Antonio and keep going till we hit Houston. So like I said, this is gonna be a full day of driving. I think we're all just gonna do one shot. I told William when he gets tired, if he wants, we can switch. I'm down with that, you know, because I know he's majority been driving the whole way. So he drove yesterday a full 12 hours and once again on the road again. So I told him if he wants to switch, we can switch and drive the E92. But so far, a whole lot of nothing, just mountains and stuff like that. So all right, guys, we came to checkpoint. This is the US Border Patrol checkpoint. I'm not legal, bro. Imagine. Damn. They even got the canine. Saw the dog somewhere over there. That guy has the dog over there. Alright guys, we're doing a little pit stop. Get some gas. We got to use the bathroom. And we are literally in the middle of nowhere. no city coming up, nothing. We're literally in the freaking desert. You know what I don't understand though? Is like the people that work here, how far do they have to drive to go home?
I have no idea.
I always wonder, like, all the people that work here at the gas stations, like, I don't know. Damn, that Mustang GT is pretty clean. Looks like it's on some wheels too. Sheesh. All right, guys, little update. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. There's even the clouds. Look at the clouds. They look fake, bro. They don't even look real. Damn. But yeah, guys, I think the next big stop is gonna be San Antonio, Texas. And like I said, there's literally nothing around us. There's nothing. Bro, no.
Nah.
Yeah, fat. It looks like a bullet, bro.
Nah, it wasn't me.
No, I swear. We were behind you.
The big rigs were there, bro.
Oh, fuck, bro. Oh my god. Shit. Pull to the side. I don't know if it was from Noah's truck or one of the big rigs, but we were driving. I was about to take a video for Instagram, and then all of a sudden you just hear bass. Bro, it literally sounded like a freaking, I don't know how to explain it.
Where at? There was a section that we're coming. It was windy as fuck, and the big rigs were just throwing fucking rocks.
It was like right before we went right next to you, like maybe like.
Saw me like go a little bit further.
It literally had just happened, but it probably, yeah, it probably was from the big rig or.
Because we were getting hit from the big rigs when we went in there.
Yeah, I don't know. Sheesh! Look at all the carbon in here, guys. That is crazy. All the red too, all the caps. It's such a clean E92 M3, but damn, I can't believe that happened. Sucks. He's got one too on the windshield. I don't know if you guys can see it, but he's been helping out with the rock chips.
Hell yeah, bro.
All right, guys. I'm gonna drive the E92 now. It's gonna be my turn to be whipping the E92 M3. Gosh, I miss my E92. You trust me driving your M3?
Yeah, trust me.
William's like, you got an M3 and an M4, so if something happens, you're gonna give me one of those. Yup. Damn, it's crazy. Oh boy. E92 vibes. It's got the light up steering wheel too.
No way.
Noe, up to where are we going?
Whatever you want to stop. I mean, we'll look for something. If you guys don't mind looking for like somewhere we go dog friendly.
Dog friendly?
Like to go get some lunch and shit.
Okay, it's
somewhere, whatever.
Hey, did your time change on your phone?
Yeah, 2 hours.
Same.
It's gonna change it. Florida 3.
It's gonna say 3 hours?
Well,
Yeah.
Florida is 3 hours ahead.
Florida's 3 hours. East Coast is 3.
Okay, so dog friendly?
Yep. Whatever you can find down there, like whatever.
Okay, daddy. You have it on M mode the whole time, or you had it off M mode?
I had it off.
Oh my gosh, bro. This is literally my exhaust, guys. Except, like I said, he has the X pipe and I don't. I need the X pipe.
You do?
For sure, this shit makes a big difference. All I have is these little test pipes. This way? Bro, the sound of this car is ridiculous. So freaking good. Like I said, that's one reason I'll never let my E92 go. And I know people can say you can buy another one, but I don't want to buy another one. I want to stick with the one that I have and just, that's it, be done with it. Just look at that scenery, guys. It doesn't even look real. Shit's crazy. Alright guys, we're gonna stop at another gas station. We gotta fill up. The V8 is is hungry, the beast. Oh my god, bro. Where's the Chevron? Here? Alright guys, back on the road. I'm just curious, bro. What do people see out here to live out here? There's literally nothing to do. Look at that little house.
It's a cooking maker.
Alright guys, another little pit stop. How many pit stops are we gonna be doing? But we're gonna get some.
This is our third pit stop.
We're gonna get some Texas barbecue. We're literally like in the middle of nowhere. It's called Pit Stop Barbecue, but oh my goodness. Damn. This looks crazy. Look at that. It smells bomb. The old school little refrigerator. Sheesh. Look at that.
I'm having fun, yeah.
Got the whole squad.
We're fucking eating.
We're eating, G. You want to see my food?
Ew! His looks good. I don't know what you got.
You're a hater. Look.
The way they brought the dog with them.
They brought 2 dogs with them.
Bro.
Alright guys, so we finished up our lunch and now we're driving. We're probably gonna have to stop for gas probably one more time, I think, before we go straight to Houston, Texas. We were gonna do from El Paso, Texas, where we left earlier, straight to Florida, but Noe and his family are kind of tired and they said that we should just stay in Houston, Texas tonight and then wake up early around 6 a.m., 5 a.m. from Houston, Texas straight to Orlando, Florida, which would probably take us about 12 hours to get there. So that's gonna be like another full day of driving as well. So I thought they were down to go one straight shot. I thought they were, and I thought you were down too, but you're saying like you're tired. I'm gonna be tired for sure driving 22 hours, or no, sorry, it was 18 hours from where we had our lunch straight to Florida. It's a,
And not only that, it's just you don't know the place.
yeah.
You know, especially when there's connection too.
Yeah, if we look, yeah.
So you're gonna get lost.
We'll be driving for sure like over midnight, all night, literally all night. Sounds crazy. Oh my God, bro. What the freak is wrong with people, bro? All right, guys. Oh my gosh. Another freaking pit stop to fill up gas. And what's cool about this gas station, tell them, William, what do we got? Oh, 93. No 91 bullshit like LA. We got 93, so we're gonna put 93 in the E92. And we should for sure feel a difference. 93 is actually recommended and it's better than 91. This will for sure be the last stop. I think Noe and his family wanted to stop here, but apparently this is the biggest gas station in the world. It does look pretty freaking big, I'm not gonna lie. Damn, that is a lot of gas station pumps. Look at that. All right, guys, we're inside.
California.
This shit is big.
What's the most popular one?
So we do sell a lot of our chewy praline.
Damn, that does look good. Thank you.
So it's very similar to a butter pecan. But just a contrast flavors there.
After this bomb. All right, guys, we have made it to Houston, Texas. Finally. Just a little bit of traffic right now, but downtown Houston, Texas. Passing through your guys' city. Comment down below if you guys are from the Texas area. Alright guys, we have finally touched down in Houston. We finally made it to the hotel. We're gonna get some rest. I'm gonna edit this video for you guys, have it up ready for you guys, and then I'm gonna start another video, so you guys gotta stay tuned. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. See you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.